Now how do you suppose I'm going to fix this? I'm going to try and use my secret weapon first. Voila. See that? It's a little hook I made just out of a paper clip. Got a little bend in it. I made that little tip there. And what I'm going to do, I might be able to grab the chain. Now see the chain, it's going to be located right there. Let's see, the chain's inside of that, so I'm not going to be able to fish it out unless I take that down. Okay, there's another way I can fix that too, but either way, I've got to get up there and unscrew that bottom bit. And see, that's for a light kit. And see, there's a set screw right there. Should I turn that off? Should I turn the ceiling fan off? Is it getting you dizzy? There's 3 screws up there to take that housing down. Okay, so I've got a little tiny screwdriver. Well, a little screwdriver anyways. And I got to get up there. I'm going to take my shoes off because I'm going to stand directly on top of the bed. You know, I'm going to get up there with a little screwdriver. And I've got to take this base off. I just reposition these blades so I can get my screwdriver in there. And these screws are really super small. And you just want to keep track of them. Okay. I'm going to do this one over here. And I'm also going to remember the location. There's a little switch here to make the ceiling fan go either direction. And I know I've got the chain facing this way. I don't necessarily have to put it back that way, but I'm going to because it's going to be easier to fit everything up in there. Okay? So that'll give me a reference point when I put this back up. I've got to unscrew this. And you can be an average Joe. You don't have to be an electrician to fix this. Okay. Now it might just fall into my hand, so I got to kind of hold on to it like that. Now this should drop down like that. Okay. That's your first step. You think you can do that? Yeah, I know you can.